Nyo muthi tuma githomo kia Orthodox tea ani twathoma atwerewa uria majani ma Orthodox mathondekagwo ani twerewa ati majani ma Orthodox tikubandwo mabandagwo ni kuthondekwo mathondekagwa. Orthodox ni cai umwe urafeci bei njega muno. Mwaka ucio urahitukire ni turabatire gufeci bei njega ya kuma $4 guthie $4.5. Average ya $4. Most of the factories irekaga irathondeka cai wa Orthodox. We compare na CTC irathiaga na 2.85 on average. Na koguo ni cai wagirwo ni gukorwo githondekwo. Ni turahotire kuthondeka kuma kwi kilo million 22 over 5 million kilograms. Turahotire guitwara thiini wa Orthodox. Na kwa hivyo ni iratuteithirie muno. Na ni turahoya muno Mungu atujalie kana Ngai atuteithie mwaka uyu ukorwo kuhana uguo na tutaendelea mzuri. Arimi guti specialty ihandagwo. Majani no aria ma kawaida. Tofauti ni uria uramathondeka. Uria urathondeka majani ndio tofauti. Ndio inaitwa CTC na Orthodox. Lakini majani no aria ma kawaida tu. Hiyo tu. Kiria ngurani ni uria urathondeka. Oro wa auction majani ma Orthodox matithiaga through the auction. Mendagio direct. Ni aguri methagwo. Unatafuta wanunuazi kana aguri magoka mageka atia makagura. Na last year niguo njugire. Ona tikwetha turethaga aguri. Kama ratwethaga. Na kwa hivyo maundu marakorwo memega. Eguo ni turahoya muno this year ukorwo atia o uguo. Na maundu ni mekorwo memega ikiwa hivyo. Majani acio ma Orthodox ni mamendete muno. Although no turathi na mbere gwikirira mukaso kumathomithio uhoro wa Orthodox pia nigetha onao mathie na mbere kwenda Orthodox. Na ungienda Orthodox muno ikorwo ina murio muno ukamiethera uki wari kanina kumiruga ukamiethera uki na weka ugekira thiini ikoragwo ina murio muingi muno.
Tuko hapa Thumaita kwa mafunzo. We are doing capacity building for managers in zone 5 and 6, that is in Kirinyaga, Embu County. And the reason why we are doing that, we have been increasing the numbers of factories that have gone to diversification. Diversification means we are moving away or we are introducing other products beside the CTC, and those products are Orthodox teas and even other specialty teas. So because of the growing need for factories to diversify, we are doing training, capacity building across the country, and currently we are doing in for zone 5 and 6 here at Thumaita. And after we do with the managers will also go down and also train their workers. Last 5 years, we have improved from allowed 1 million kilograms of made tea. Made tea is the tea we take to the market. To last year, when we had a record 11 million. One reason why it increased 11 million kilograms of made tea is because we have been increasing the number of factories. So the 11 million is from the 11 factories. Previously, we had only 3 factories. So we have been increasing the number of factories. But even those ones that have been producing Orthodox, as the market grew, like last year, there was a high demand. So even the factories that were existing, they were able to increase their production, what they were doing per year. That is why we had a record 11 million. And we intend the same is we will continue increasing. We hope the demand will still be there. We have more factories coming on board. This year we are likely to have 2 factories coming on board. 2 of them are in Kirisho. And many more are coming on board. Actually we have in the queue we have 29 factories that want to come to